Hey teachers, looking for a digital design tool with infinite creative learning opportunities? How about a tool that has a library full of beautiful eye-catching visuals or presentations? In this Innovation Coach tutorial, I will be sharing some helpful features in Canva. Hi, I'm Lolita, one of the Technology and Innovation Coaches, and I'm going to share some new features in Canva that can empower your students with endless creative possibilities. If you haven't had a chance to see my friends Amy and Brenda share how to use Canva with Canvas, check out the link in the description. Canva is an online graphic design tool packed with captivating, easy-to-use features. Use Canva to put a fresh new spin on poster designs, video and photo creations, or presentations. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the background remover tool for videos and photos, and engage your audience with Canva presentation shortcuts. To begin, go to My Plan to locate the Canva app. It may prompt you to log in, and you can select Login with Google and select your PUSD account. From the main dashboard, you can scroll down to access previous projects or choose a blank design or select a pre-made template for some fresh ideas. Do you have a great photo with a distracting background? How about needing to change the background of a video but can't get your hands on a green screen? Have no fear, Canva Background Remover tool is here. To remove the background of a photo, head over to the Canva dashboard. Select the Design Spotlight menu. Under Photos and Videos, select the Photo Editor. Click the Edit a Photo button and it will open a blank new design. Next, go to the Uploads button. Select the photo you want from your device or connect your Google Drive to locate a photo saved in your drive. Once the photo is uploaded into Canva, click on it to bring it into the blank design. Click to select the photo and click Edit Photo in the top toolbar. Select EG Remover and wait for the magic to happen. Now you can add a background, resize the image, and move the photo anywhere. Looking for a quick way to move your video background, but don't have time to put up a green screen? No problem! Here's how you can quickly remove the background of any recording up to 1 minute and 30 seconds. From the Canva dashboard, select the Design Spotlight menu. Under Photos and Videos, select Video Editor. Click the Edit a Video button to start the process. Just like removing the background of a photo, go to the Uploads button. This time, select the Videos tab. Click Upload to select the video recording you want from your device or connect your Google Drive. Once the video is uploaded into Canva, click on it to bring it into the blank design. Click to select the video and click Edit Video in the top toolbar. Select Background Remover and wait for the magic to happen. Once the background is removed, you are ready to add it to any design. Need some quick shortcuts to enhance a presentation? Not only does Canva have tons of pre-made slide templates, you can also utilize a few interactive shortcuts with a single key. In presentation mode, you can use the following shortcuts: the timer feature, quiet, drum roll, blur, and confetti. How can you envision yourself using Canva with your students? Thank you for watching. See you next time.